You use oil every day: cooking oil, hair oil, skin oil. But here's what nobody tells you. Not all oils are the same. Some damage your body slowly, oxidizing your cells, aging you faster than you realize, while others do the exact opposite. They repair, they protect, they rejuvenate your cells from the inside out. Ancient civilizations knew this. They didn't just use oils for cooking. They used them for healing, for longevity, for survival. But today, most people have replaced these powerful oils with cheap, processed alternatives. And that one change is silently affecting your health. These are 20 ancient oils that your body still recognizes and responds to instantly. 20. Olive oil. Simple, familiar, powerful. Real extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that protect your cells from damage. It reduces inflammation, supports heart health, and slows down aging at the cellular level. But only if it's real. Most olive oil today is diluted. 19. Coconut oil. Used for thousands of years. Coconut oil feeds your brain and body with quick, clean energy. It supports metabolism, improves skin health, and protects cells from oxidative stress. A true multi-purpose oil. 18. Black seed oil. They called it the cure for everything but death. Black seed oil supports immunity, reduces inflammation, and helps your body repair itself. It's strong, potent, and often underestimated. 17. Castor oil. Thick, sticky, old school, but incredibly effective. Castor oil supports detox pathways, improves skin hydration, and has natural antibacterial properties. Used externally, it works quietly but deeply. 16. Argan oil. Liquid gold. Argan oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that repair damaged skin and protect your cells. It hydrates, restores, rejuvenates. 15. Flaxseed oil. A powerful source of omega-3 fatty acids. Flaxseed oil reduces inflammation and supports cellular repair. It's especially useful for brain and heart health. 14. Sesame oil. Ancient, stable, reliable. Sesame oil protects your cells from damage and supports detoxification. It's also used in traditional practices for full body balance. 13. Neem oil. Strong, bitter, effective. Neem oil is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. It supports skin healing and protects against harmful microbes. 12. Pumpkin seed oil. Often overlooked, but incredibly supportive for prostate health, hormones, and cell repair. It nourishes your body from within. 11. Almond oil. Light, smooth, gentle. Almond oil is rich in nutrients that support skin repair and overall cellular health. It's one of the easiest oils to use daily. 10. Avocado oil. Deeply nourishing. Avocado oil penetrates your skin and cells more effectively than many other oils. It supports elasticity, hydration, and repair. 9. Rosehip oil. This is where things get interesting. Rosehip oil is packed with vitamin A and antioxidants that help regenerate skin cells. It reduces scars, improves texture, and restores damaged skin. 8. Jojoba oil. Technically not even an oil. It mimics your skin's natural oils. That's why your body absorbs it so easily. It balances, repairs, protects. 7. Walnut oil. Rich and powerful. Walnut oil supports brain health and reduces inflammation. It also helps protect your cells from long-term damage. 6. Hemp seed oil. Balanced, complete, effective. Hemp oil contains the perfect ratio of fatty acids for cellular repair. It supports skin, brain, and immune function. 5. Mustard oil. Strong smell, strong effects. Mustard oil improves circulation and supports detoxification. Used correctly, it can energize your system and improve cellular function. 4. Evening primrose oil. Often used for hormonal balance, but it also supports cell regeneration and reduces inflammation. Especially powerful for skin and internal repair. 3. Sea buckthorn oil. Bright orange. Extremely potent. This oil is loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells and support skin regeneration. It's one of the most powerful oils most people have never used. 2. Camellia oil. Used for centuries in beauty rituals. Camellia oil protects your skin, reduces aging signs, and supports cellular repair. Light, but powerful. 1. Frankincense oil. Ancient, sacred, powerful. Frankincense has been used for thousands of years for healing and restoration. It supports cell regeneration, reduces inflammation, and promotes deep recovery. Not just physical, but mental as well. Final thought. Here's the reality most people never realize. Your body is constantly rebuilding itself. Every second, every minute, cells are dying and being replaced. The question is, what are you giving your body to rebuild with? Cheap, processed oils that create damage? Or ancient, natural oils that support healing? Because that choice happens every single day. And over time, it changes everything. Your energy, your skin, your health, your aging. These oils are not trends. They are tools, used for centuries, proven over time, and now, available again. The difference is simple. Most people ignore them, but the ones who don't feel the change. Slow at first, then undeniable. Because when you give your body what it understands, it responds. And when it responds, everything improves. But here's where it gets even more important. Because improvement doesn't always feel dramatic at first. It's not like flipping a switch. It's more like turning a dial. Quiet changes begin to happen. You wake up with slightly more energy. Your skin feels a little smoother. Your mind feels a bit clearer. Small things, easy to ignore. But those small changes start stacking, day after day, week after week. And then one day, you realize something is different. You're not as tired. You're not as inflamed. You're not struggling the same way anymore. That's how real healing works. Not loud, not instant, but consistent. And oils play a bigger role than most people think. Because every cell in your body has a membrane. And that membrane is made from fats. So the quality of the oils you consume and use literally becomes part of you. Think about that. You're not just using oil. You're building your body with it. And if those building blocks are weak, your cells become weak. But if those building blocks are strong, everything changes. Your resilience increases. Your recovery speeds up. Your system becomes more stable. That's why ancient cultures were so intentional. They didn't just grab whatever was cheapest. They chose oils carefully, cold-pressed, unrefined, natural, because they understood something we forgot. Quality matters more than convenience. And today, convenience is everywhere. Highly processed oils, overheated cooking methods, refined products stripped of nutrients, all designed for shelf life, not for your life. So if you really want to feel the difference, you don't need to do everything at once. Just start making better swaps. Replace one oil, then another. Use olive oil instead of refined blends. Add black seed oil in small amounts. Use coconut oil where it makes sense. Simple shifts, but powerful ones. Because over time, those small upgrades compound, and your body notices. It always does. You might not see it immediately in the mirror, but internally, things are changing. Inflammation starts to drop. Cells repair more efficiently. Your system begins to function the way it was designed to. And maybe the most powerful part of all this is control. You don't need expensive treatments. You don't need complicated routines. You just need better inputs. Because your body already knows what to do. It just needs the right materials. And that's what these oils provide. Not hype, not promises, just support. Real, natural support that your body recognizes instantly. So the next time you reach for oil, pause for a second. Ask yourself, is this building me or slowly breaking me down? Because that one decision, repeated daily, becomes your future. And once you understand that, you stop choosing randomly. You start choosing intentionally. And that's when everything begins to shift.